Hi, I'm Kelly Karnetsky, website designer at springshosting.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fancy web page banner. So what is a web page banner? Well, it's also called a header graphic. And what it is it's a graphic at the top of the website that usually incorporates your logo, menu, and sometimes other elements like a search feature. What makes it fancy? Flash elements, any kind of great pictures, any extra features like drop-down menus, and any kind of interactivity. So the purpose of a website banner is to immediately define your website. It can also help drive the user experience. With the simple website banner, those are good for websites like e-commerce sites where you don't want to distract the customer from your products. A fancier website banner is good if you want to give your website more of a personality. To start making your website header, you first need to create a concept. With your concept, you want to know exactly where all of your graphical elements are going to go, such as your logo, menus, etc. You also want to know what other elements you're going to incorporate, like CSS, JavaScript, etc. And in order to create these headers, we need a program to do that. I recommend Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. With these programs, you can easily create a simple banner. To make it fancy, you can use Adobe Flash to animate your website header. You can also use Flash to do drop-down menus, or you can do drop-down menus with JavaScript and CSS. What you want to avoid, however, are things like GIF animations and a lot of clutter. So you want to keep it very clean, very simple, unless you're going for a nice artistic feel where a little bit of a clutter can be good. I'm Kelly Karnetsky with springshosting.com, and thanks for watching.